much video. In today's video I will show you how to display markdown text in Flutter with the help of Jetpack Compose and swiftui. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all I will show you the output. So for Android, this is the output. You can see I'm displaying hyperlinks, headings, strike throughs, italic, code, as well as images, links, all kind of stuff. And similarly for iOS, so for iOS swiftui doesn't support all types of markdown, but I think in the future it will support as swiftui gets better and better. So yeah, let's get started. So all I'm doing is that I have created okay. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all I have created a Flutter project, and here inside main I have refactored the my homepage widget to include my custom widget called my markdown. I have wrapped it with safe area and sized box. Then inside my markdown view.dart I have created a stateful widget. Like there is some issue, like if you try to send some string like markdown text from Flutter to a native side, it does cause issue. Like this is multi-line string, right? So it I think compresses it to normal string, and that is what is causing the issue. So I have not able to figure out how to do that. So even though I'm passing the data from over here, I am again creating a variable on the native side with this actual markdown. So in case you figure this out, do let me know in the comments. So here you can see I'm sending some data which again is useless because I am not able to figure it out. And for Android I have created an Android view. For iOS it is a UI kit view. I have defined the view type, I have defined the text direction as well. I have created creation params as well. Next, open your Android folder inside Android Studio. All you have to do is go to this folder, right click, new, activity, gallery, and here you will have to write empty compose activity. Choose empty activity for compose. Okay, and just click on next, and it will create this main activity too, which you can see over here. Like we won't be using this main activity too, but it will add all the necessary dependencies inside our React Native project, inside our Flutter project, more importantly inside the main.gradle. So if you don't want, you can delete this file later on as well, but make sure you delete it from Android manifest as well. Next here so yeah, next here I think I forgot to add there should be a uses permission of internet as well, because we are displaying some HTTP links inside our markdown text. Next, inside main activity, make sure you change this to Flutter fragment activity, and here we are registering our view. Next, I have created this another kitty file, and here is the actual markdown which I am passing. As you can see, like you can pass your own markdown for this, and the actual code is only this much: my markdown text markdown equal to ABC. Now for this is a third-party library. So what you have to do is go to your build.gradle. First, make sure you are using Kotlin 1.8.0. Add this Maven URL, and also go over here. Make sure you have this. Make sure the Kotlin compiler extension 1.4.0, and minimum HDK version is 23. And what else? And you will make sure once you add compose, all this dependency by default should be added to your project, but you will have to add this extra dependency as well. And also make sure to add this all dependencies. Like I'm not sure which exact dependencies are needed, but I think if we remove this completely, then it again causes our project compilation error. That's why I've added all this, and this is the markdown third-party dependency. Sorry. Next, I have created a compose view. Here I have taken a linear layout, and we don't require this text view. Like I'm sorry, like this was part of my previous project, and here our compose view, and I have added this linear layout as well as initialize our compose view, then set the layout params. Then for the compose view I have added to our linear layout, and I'm just setting over my compose text. Next, this is factory method, which is boilerplate code which you have to write for every native view. So I think that should be it for Android side. And for iOS side, first go to app delegate, and here you will have to register your view. Next, you will have to create this factory method, which again is a boilerplate code for every native view, which I have just copied from docs. Then we will have to define our UI kit view, which will embed the swiftui view. And here is our view, initializing the view, getting data from flutter side, which is useless because will be defining it on the native side. But I have just to say, like, I'm just showing it to you guys in case you guys figure it out. And inside create native view, I have this is boilerplate code for uh, uh, embedding swiftui view inside UI kit view. Okay, and this is the extension for it which I have created. Next, inside swiftui view, here you can see I have taken a scroll view of each tag and text, and inside the text, this is our markdown which I have taken. So yeah, you can change the markdown to whatever you need. Like, again, this is not required, this was part of my previous project. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.